Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! It's time to clean.
No! God, please, no!
Or at least learn with us some essential cleaning words and verbs in Slovak language. Let's jump right into it. Začíname! Some of the most important words for cleaning, upratovanie, are broom, metla, bucket, vedro, vacuum cleaner, vysávač. Mop is the same. Spray bottle, rozprašovač. Trash can, odpadkový kôš. Trash bag, vrecko na odpadky. Washing machine, práčka. Iron, žehlička. Ironing board, žehliaca doska. Hanger, vešiak. Dust, prach. Dustpan, smetiak. Disinfectant, dezinfekčný prostriedok. Cleaning cloth, handra. Soap, mydlo. Sink, umývadlo. Sponge, špongia. Bathtub, vaňa. Laundry, prádlo. Detergent, prací prostriedok. Foam or bubbles, pena. Furniture, nábytok. Toilet paper, toaletný papier. Now, let's go through some important cleaning verbs. To clean, čistiť alebo upratovať. To organize, organizovať alebo usporiadať. To sweep, zametať. To wash, umyť. To mop, utrieť mopom. To scrub, drhnúť. To wipe, utierať. To vacuum, vysávať. To disinfect, dezinfikovať. To do the laundry, prať. To dust, utierať prach. To rinse, opláchnuť. To make the bed, ustlať posteľ. To take out the trash, vyniesť smeti. Now, let's see some example phrases using these verbs and words. Can you help me clean the kitchen? Pomohol by si mi upratať kuchyňu? I need to clean. Potrebujem čistiť. Take out the trash, please. Vynies smeti, prosím. I will sweep the floor. Zametiem podlahu. Now it's your time to practice. Try to say the following words in Slovak. To clean, čistiť alebo upratovať, trash can, odpadkový kôš, vacuum cleaner, vysávač. Great job! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!